We started Explore Mountain Bike Club 2 years ago as a competitive mountain cycling team. Our goals include developing riders through the season into the safe, competitive and smart races, high-ranking team within the conference with the goals of winning the overall team ranking. We provide all the necessary equipment for races like helmet, gloves, ties, palm and sunglasses. In the fall, cyclists of all riding levels are welcoming to join the team at weekly training riders. While previous experience is not required to try out the team, particular importance is placed on the individual commitment to the training and competition schedule. Ultimately, the decision to join the team will fall on the athletes. Bike racing is totally fun and rewarding. Everything you race, your limit is pushed in the new level. And it's not only about competition and rivals, it's about freedom. It's about breathtaking scenery that goes along your way. Come ride with us now. Go to the www.explorebikeclub.ch for more details.